Hello, Craft Oil. Happy to see you. Okay, then I'm going to use these beads making let's try for a DIY. Okay, so here we can use it. Let's see how to use this kind of the beads. It's the beads who are very big. So one way to use, I think we can use the spring and the memory wire bangle. I'm going to use the silver memory wire bangle here, and we are going to try it as a bangle design here. This one. Okay, the end I'm going to use the beads. Yeah. And the beads I'm going to use the big size. I'm trying to use the big size, the 6mm. The size of beads we need to use it is bigger than the hole. Yeah, bigger than the hole so that it's not drop out. Yeah. First way to use, I think, not only the permanent jewelry, we can use it for some other design. Okay, here I tried. I'm here use the labradorite stone. Here. Let the glue dry. Okay, waiting for the glue dry. This. Then I get a silver spring. Here is the silver spring. Let's test the length. Okay, here. Hi, Sabine. Happy to see you. I mark. Okay, just the blue. Here. It can be moved. In Chinese, someone named this one the round beads. Round beads means the beads hole is big, so it's a string on the bracelet. It can be round everywhere. Was at my granddaughter congratulations. I was late. I just go live. You are on time, dear. Not late. Okay, I put a 6 piece. So cut. Then I put with a glue. Just a simple bangle. One big, one small. Okay. Hi. Happy to see you. Okay. So it's a very simple bangle with these round beads inside. So when you wear it, it can be round everywhere, but it's not go drop out. Okay, here. this way, and